Question number 20 in the foundation paper is also question number 6 in the higher paper. And we're told that this is a square. Important bit of information. It says it's not to scale, but we're told it's a square. And we need to work out the lengths of the side of the square. So we've got two expressions for the same thing. We've got 4 and then x minus 2 in brackets, and we've got 5x minus 20. So because they're the same thing, we can make them equal to each other. And you do that by using the equal symbol. There we go. Nice simple start to this question. Make them equal to each other. Multiply out a bracket. So you do 4 times x, you get 4x. And you do 4 times by minus 2, which is minus 8. This was in brackets, but there is no brackets to multiply out. It's just the expression. So 5x minus 20 is what's on that side of the equation. Now we can start to think about solving this equation. And to do that, all we have to do is think about taking away 4x from both sides, because there are unknowns on both sides, and 4x is the least amount of those unknowns. That leaves us with a positive amount of x's. So if you take away 4x's from 5x's, you've got 1x. And there's still the minus 20 left on that side. And then you've got the minus 8 on this side. So what you need to do then is add 20 to get rid of the minus 20. And to balance up the equation, you need to add 20 to both sides. And when you've done that, you get 12. So minus 8 plus 20 gives you 12. And x equals 12. Now, we haven't finished the question yet, even though it feels like we've finished something. Because we had to work out the length of the side of the square. Now, what we can do is guarantee ourselves 5 marks on this. If we substitute this back into both of the equations, or both of the expressions that we've got, I should say, then we know, and they're both the same answer, we know we're definitely right, and we can move on in satisfaction that we've got 5 marks. So if we put 12 into here, 12 minus 2 is 10, 4 times 10 is 40. Well, that should be the answer to our question. Let's just see if it works in the other one. So 5 times 12 is 60. Take away 20 is also 40. You can do that mentally just to check to see if it works in both sides. You don't need to work that out particularly, because we can just now put our answer as 40 centimeters for one side of the square.